Here, get to value of x. First, let's we mark other angle which we know, right? Here they tell no AOD is a straight line and O is the center. So that's why this angle must be 90 degree. That means normally we learn semicircle angle, right? That's the theorem, semicircle angle. From the diameter, now AD is the diameter, from AD, subtended angle at circumference, that means this angle, this should be 90, right? We can mark it, right? Try to understand. Now, O is the center, so that's why AD is the diameter. From the diameter, subtended angle at circumference, this should be 90. And also, this is 150 now. ABC, this angle is 150. Now you can see here ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral AB, BC, CD and AD. These are the four sides. And these all vertices on the circumference. Right? So that's why this is a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. So if this is 150, this should be 30. How? We know in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle are supplementary, right? This plus this should be 180, right? We learned that. Now if I mark here A, 150 plus A should be 180, right? That means you can write 150 plus A should be 180, because in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle supplementary, normally opposite angle add up to 180. So I can write here, but the 150, that means this angle plus A will be equal to 180. So here A will be how much? 180 subtract 150, right? So A will be 30, right? That's the idea. Try to understand. A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral, four side polygon, all vertices on the circumference. That when you have like that, we can call as cyclic quadrilateral. And then in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle, this angle to this angle is opposite. These two angles are opposite, like this angle opposite to this, like that, opposite. So if this and this opposite angle, this angle add up to 180. So if this is 150, this should be 30. So A is 30. Now you can write what the ACD is a triangle. In this triangle, interior angle add up to 180. So you can write x plus here 90 now, like I show you earlier, 90 plus this A we got has 30 now, so I can write 30 equal to 180. Again, reason is interior angle of a triangle is add up to 180. So here will be x plus 90 plus 30 means 120 equal 180. So x equal 180. Bring this 120 to this side. That means it will be minus this plus 180. So here will be 180 minus 120 mean what? 60. So x equal 60 degree.